Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about how many makeup brushes you really need. While some people think you need 10 to 12 brushes, you can actually achieve a medium level makeup look with just 3 brushes. My name is Sarish and I create videos on daily basis and share some tips and tricks. If you enjoy this video, consider subscribing. Let's get started. So guys, first it's essential to prep your skin before applying anything. Start with a good moisturizer followed by a primer. Once you are applied the primer, let it sit for 3 to 4 minutes before continuing. Let's move on foundation. This is my own 3-in-1 foundation that I made myself. If you are curious about how I make my foundation, feel free to ask in the comments and I will show you. I start by applying it with my fingers and then blend it with a beauty blender. A beauty blender is crucial for achieving a smooth finish and absorbing any excess product. I bought mine from Shein for just $2 to $3 and this is a pair of two and it works perfectly. When the sponge is wet, it doubled in size, which is exactly what you want. Next is concealer. Before applying concealer, I use a bit of lip balm under my eye. After applying the lip balm, I use concealer and the concealer is LA Girl Pro concealer and this is my favorite one, and I blend it using the same beauty blender. As you can see, it blends beautifully and leaving a flawless finish. So guys, I have an oily skin and I set my under eye right now. So for this I am using this angled foundation brush and this brush is game changer. You can use this brush for any product. Right now I am setting my under eye with this brush. This brush is also from Shein and was just for $2 and it does a great job for applying powder smoothly. The tip is keep a tissue paper nearby to clean your brushes between products so you can reuse them. Now let's move on the contouring, and I am using a contouring stick that I bought from Dollar Tree and it is very affordable. So I'm using the same brush. This brush is one of my favorite tools. For contouring, I use the same angled brush which is perfect for applying product precisely, especially on the nose. This brush helps to keep the contour sharp and blend it exactly where I want it. So guys, for blush on I am using the ELF Cosmetics Berry Radiant blush. Again I am using the same brush and it applies the blush beautifully, giving my cheeks a nice and even color. Next, let's talk about eye makeup. I am using a fluffy blending brush perfect for blending eyeshadow. I am using a shade and it's pinkish from a NYX palette and applying it to my crease. This brush blends the shadows seamlessly and I will extend the color slightly outwards for the soft cat eye look. So guys, for the outer corner of my eyes, I use a smudged brush. This brush has straight bristles which are great for precisely applying darker shades to the outer corner. I dab the product on and blend it in place, keeping the color concentrated. For shimmer shades, I like to use my fingers because it gives the product more pigmentation and applies smoothly. Once one eye is complete, I will finish the other off camera. Now for the lower lash line, I am using the same smudge brush and I start by applying a darker shade to the outer corner and then blend it towards the inner corner. Make sure the color fades softly as it moves inwards. For eyeliner, I am using a Sephora eyeliner. So you are a beginner, any eyeliner will work for you. So it's easy to apply and gives you a clean look. First I will curl my lashes and next is mascara. I am using the Essence Long Lashes Mascara. One of my favorite. I apply it to both my upper and lower lashes for extra definition. So guys, for my lips, I am starting with a Rimmel lip liner and the shade is 110 Spice. Then I will apply a brown lip liner in the warm brown shade. I bought this from Shein and the name is Coffee. Now I will fill my lips with a Maybelline lip crayon and the name of this shade is Enjoy the View. This combination works wonderfully if you have a skin tone similar to mine. Beauties, let's move on the eyebrows. I recommended using a pencil with a spoolie attached. It's easy to fill in your brows without needing extra tools. Lashes. I'm using a pair I bought from Shein for only $3. False lashes really elevate the look and I like to apply mine by hand without any tools. So guys, before I finish, I will quickly apply highlighter. I like to use my finger for the inner corner of my eyes. Then apply the rest with the same blending brush I use for my eyeshadow. To finish everything off, you can use any setting spray or powder you like. And that's it guys. This whole look was created using just 3 brushes. So the first brush is blending brush from FS number 220 and the second brush is smudge brush from Profusion and the last brush is angled foundation brush that I bought from Shein. You really don't need a lot of brushes to achieve a beautiful look. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. It really helps my channel to grow. You can also follow me on TikTok, Instagram and Facebook. All the links are in the description. If you have any questions or video requests, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.